guys, it's Michael Palladino from Artisan Group. Here we are at Positive Signs and Graphics. We're on day one of our 2-day workshop. So we get together with manufacturers and suppliers and we deliver that knowledge. So whether it be vehicle wraps or basic application, we're happy to get involved and just try and build this great industry of ours, whether it be through knowledge or just through networking. We're out there and we're on the ground level. We're just trying to bring the next key people up through the industry with the right set of tools to be able to deliver some really cool wraps and some really cool applications. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll keep on bringing these videos to you.